What is going on today, guys? In store today is going to be some work on the Olds. I have some power steering lines to replace. I've got belts to try and fit, battery cables to try and route. And then if Sam gets out here tonight, then we might start working on installing the rest of the exhaust. So I'm going to get started and film the process as I go along. I've got the new power steering lines on. Ended up having to actually snap off the pressure side on the gearbox just because it was not breaking loose and I didn't want to round it off, so I just snapped it off, used a socket. That came off just fine. I've also got the belts on. Pretty straightforward there. The next thing I'm going to do is gonna try and figure out where my battery cables need to run. Because I have the headers, the factory used to have a little crossover tube like right on the frame there, where that header, where that primary tube right there actually runs right across. So I won't be able to run the factory setup, so I'm gonna have to try and see if I can go to the firewall and then down to the starter. But I'm gonna get going on that and showing you guys what I'm doing along the way. So I wired up the starter. I wired up what I feel like is the correct way to wire up the rest of the harness to most of the components. I'm still not getting any power to the interior, so I'm gonna have to do some more research and figure out what's going on there. But I think I'm gonna end it off here tonight. So if you guys liked the video, please like the video and consider subscribing. See you next time.